was time to do the concrete floor works. We made available some stone chippings, cement and sand. Much love to our old and new subscribers. Thanks for helping this channel grow. The carpenters made this wood structure to facilitate the movement of the mixed concrete. A napnest was the concrete mixing machine we hired. Moving forward, we had to rent these tanks to store water in. It's not good to run out of water once the concrete machine starts rolling, and of course, extra 4 wheelbarrows. The machine is ready and all materials needed are close as possible. On this job, more hands are needed to get this job done effectively. 2 men are transporting sand, another 2 are providing stone chippings. 4 on the top and the last is the machine operator and 1 cutting the cement in. Cement quantity for floor works are not always guaranteed. Be ready for extra purchase of cement. Work is done so far, so good. On the screen is the material and labor cost. Leftover stone chippings and sand for the next job. The completed work is left out to dry for a couple of days, maybe 21 days. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know your thoughts and see you in our next video. Bye.
Say hello to healthy hair. Find all you need for the perfect hair routine with our hair care products. Our specialized complete hair washing kit, beard growth oil, dandruff treatment oil, and extra hold gel works wonders. Order yours now. Available now in the UK and we deliver worldwide.